You had a long, hard week, but it's time for the weekend. You gotta know where to be, so go ahead to sleep, friend.
Hey! That sounds good. Alright, what's up guys? Just had to do a little intro to the video. Currently out here at Kraken for the Driver's Edge track day. Got some badass race cars out here right now. But yeah, we had our Veterans Car Show. That was so much fun. I can't believe there was tanks there. They just rolled right in the parking lot with tanks. The coolest. And all the super old vintage cars that showed up, man, those are badass.
And cars on course.
As you can hear, we got cars coming back out. So let's get right to the action.
car show and they did awards on time. So the first thing that we want to do is we have a couple of special awards that we want to give away to thank some of the service folks that have been here with us today. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to thank this incredible group of Marines that came out and shared the day with us, brought these incredible military vehicles out here. Could you guys come down here for me, please? Come on, give these guys a round of applause. United States Marine Corps.